I have a story for you that I hope you will listen to. When I was in high school, they accused me of something that was then used at every chance to ridicule me. When I was on the soccer field playing, and if someone wanted to get to me, they will shout this name at me. And as tough as I was, it wasn't pleasant. It felt like such disrespect, such dishonor and evil. I sit here now many years later, and I listen to the way we talk about the leaders in our country, Jamaica. Whether it's a prime minister or people that are in government, in leadership, and I must say, it's disgraceful. Whatever you may think of somebody who puts himself up for service for a country, and whether you think they are incompetent or whether you don't agree with their policies and the way they're making decisions, it doesn't give you the right as much as you're free to do it. It doesn't give you the right to attack those people that are in service to help the country. The way you speak is through your vote, but to get on social media and to be calling leaders that are there to serve by these names and accusing them of being criminals and accusing them of all the bad things you can and the disrespect, that is a disrespect for our country. That's a disrespect for the office of leadership. Imagine if you have the leader of your choice and another group is saying all these negative things, disrespectful things, attacking their family and anyone associated with them, but you don't agree with that. If you then change leadership to someone you don't like, are you going to then curse that person out there? It is the problem. We must respect the office of leadership. We must respect those who put themselves up to serve the country. It is appalling, and this is disrespectful, disgraceful, to see us in public talking these personal, degrading way about people in positions of leadership that were voted in. They were voted in. This was not a coup. And it's not okay to say, well, you have the freedom of speech. It is not okay to abuse that and to abuse people who have feelings, who are in the office to serve. What if the person that you are abusing is elected by people? Why should they now turn around, I want to help you? So if you vote for one party, but you disrespect the other party, and the other party is in power, are you going to wonder why you're not going to be helped? We want one Jamaica, and you have two parties, and they have the right to disagree, and they have the right to ask for your vote, and you have the right to freedom of speech, but you don't have the right to accuse people, to be disrespectful. That is not in anyone's interest, and that is not a good look for us. I thank everyone who is going to go out and cast a vote for your party. I wish you the best. Thank you.
Our company Nanisks develops products exclusively focused on interventional spine innovations. We are KIC Ventures, the health tech investment firm leading a revolution in less exposure spine surgery.
Make an impact. Invest.